Hey guys, it's Christy with WTI. I love adding little decor details to my home, and that's why I instantly fell in love with these beautiful macrame coasters. I mean, how cute! These are so pretty. I love the frayed design around the edge, the twisted macrame. They're so pretty. They add such a bohemian feel to your tabletop or any space that you would want them to. It just makes it instantly cuter and cozier. Obviously, they're not only cute, but they're very functional. They're going to do what they're supposed to do and catch any condensation from your glass so it doesn't leave any watermarks on your surface. So if you love little home decor details like I do, especially little bohemian feel, you should definitely get these coasters. They're so adorable. And that's my point of view.